What if I told you that this isn't actually me? Or maybe this is actually me? The truth is, everything you're watching right now could have been created without me standing in front of a camera. No studio, no lights, no second take. Just one short recording that was turned into a realistic AI version of myself. AI avatars have existed for a while, but they've always felt robotic. The voices sounded unnatural, the movements looked fake, and you could immediately tell it was AI. Today I'm testing HeyGen to see if that's finally changing. Can one AI clone actually replace hours of filming while still looking natural? Let's find out. A2C disclosure, this video is sponsored by HeyGen, but as always I'll be showing you my real workflow and honest thoughts. If you're a creator, educator, marketer, or anyone making videos regularly, you already know how much work happens before you even start editing. You need to set up the camera, adjust lighting, record multiple takes, fix mistakes, change clothes if you're filming different videos. Then if you want another version later, you have to film everything again. And if you want the same video in another language, that usually means recording the entire thing from scratch. So I wanted to see if HeyGen could actually simplify that workflow instead of just generating another generic AI avatar. The first thing I tested was HeyGen's new digital twin with Avatar V. Instead of spending hours training an avatar, all it needs is a short recording around 15 seconds. During that recording, it captures your voice, your facial expressions, your natural movement, everything that makes you look like you. The recording itself is straightforward. Good lighting, a quiet room, look directly at the camera, speak naturally, no cuts, no editing. Once that's uploaded, HeyGen creates your digital twin. Now here's the interesting part. That single recording becomes the foundation for future videos. Instead of recording over and over again, I can generate new videos using the same digital version of myself. What's impressive is that I can change outfits, change backgrounds, even place myself in completely different environments without filming again. Throughout the generated videos, my facial expressions, gestures, and overall appearance stay remarkably consistent, making the results feel much closer to real footage than traditional AI avatars. Now let's actually make a video. This is where HeyGen's video agent comes in. Instead of manually building every scene, I simply describe the type of video I want. For this test, I ask it to create an educational AI tutorial. Before generating anything, Video Agent shows me the full blueprint, the script, the avatar, the voice, the overall style, the structure. So I'm not blindly clicking generate and hoping for the best. I can review everything first. Once I approve it, the AI starts building the complete video. What surprised me most is that it isn't just placing an avatar on a blank background. The video includes motion graphics, visual callouts, supporting visuals, text overlays, transitions. Everything is arranged to match the flow of the script. And because everything stays editable, if I don't like a title, a graphic, or the layout, I can simply change that element instead of rebuilding the entire project. That makes the workflow feel much closer to editing a real project than generating a finished AI video that you can't customize. Welcome to your first lesson, AI Video for Beginners. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the future of content creation. We'll cover how to choose your avatar, select a voice, and nail your visual style. I'm going to show you exactly how to create your first professional AI video. From script to screen, it's actually much easier than you think. Step 1. One feature I was really curious about was the AI video translator. Normally, reaching an international audience means recording multiple versions of the same video or paying someone to dub everything. Instead, I upload the completed video into HeyGen, choose another language, and within minutes it generates a translated version. But this isn't just replacing the audio. HeyGen clones my voice, keeps my speaking style, and even adjust my lip movements so they match the translated language. That makes a huge difference because subtitles alone don't always create the best viewing experience. If someone speaks Spanish, French, German, Japanese, or one of more than 175 supported languages, they can watch the same content with synchronized lip movements and a voice that still sounds like me. For creators, businesses, and educators trying to reach audiences worldwide, that's a workflow that would normally require multiple production teams. 皆さんこんにちは。今日はコンテンツ制作の未来について深掘りしていきます。これから初めての本格的な AI 動画を作る方法を具体的にご紹介します。After using the platform, I started thinking about how I'd actually use it in my own workflow. For example, let's say I finish writing a YouTube script. Instead of setting up cameras every time, I could use my digital twin to create quick updates, turn newsletters into videos, repurpose older content, or create short educational clips while keeping the same on-camera identity. If I launch a course later, I wouldn't need to record every lesson multiple times, and if I wanted to expand into different countries, I could translate the same content instead of recreating everything from scratch. That's where I think HeyGen becomes much more than an AI avatar generator. It's really a complete AI video production platform. After testing everything, I think the biggest surprise wasn't how realistic the avatar looked, it was how complete the workflow feels. Digital Twin creates a consistent AI version of you from a short recording. Video Agent turns an idea into a polished, editable video with motion graphics and visual storytelling. Then AI Video Translator lets you publish that same content in multiple languages while preserving your voice and synchronizing your lip movements. Instead of switching between several AI tools, most of the workflow happens inside one platform. It's not about replacing creators, it's about removing repetitive production work so you can spend more time creating. If you're a YouTuber, educator, coach, marketer, or anyone producing video content regularly, I think HeyGen is definitely worth trying. I'll leave my link in the description and pinned comment below if you'd like to test it for yourself. And let me know in the comments if you had your own digital twin, what would you create first? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.